Hello everybody, El Phoenix One here. Today I'm gonna show you the knives that I carry to work in my EDC rotation. These two are Spartans. Let me show you the tools. Has the screwdriver, bottle opener, cable stripper combination. It's got a can opener, screwdriver. Got a pen plate and a main blade. This one is a mountain guide, and this one has the bottle opener screwdriver, can opener, the main blade, a hawk blade, the sheep's foot, and a punch. Now I carry these ones to work, and I put a blue lanyard so I can just grab them in the morning for my hanger clip. Now I'm gonna be adding another one to my EDC. This is a GI knife from Camilla's, and this one has a can opener. It's a big can opener. Got the bottle opener, screwdriver, main blade, and a punch. And all they have match strike in the nipples. Has a long bail. I also put a hanger clip with a lanyard. I don't know if it's gonna fit in my pocket. The bail's kind of long, but we'll see. Well, thanks for watching.